One question you will be faced in exam grade 9 or even 10 as well is using order of the operation to evaluate an expression. Order of operation. We have acronym BEDMAS. BEDMAS. B is stand for bracket. It means when you see a bracket in expression, first you have to calculate that one as a priority. And then E stands for exponent, whatever you have on top of something, which is exponent, is a power. And D is for division, M is for multiplication, A is for addition, and S stands for subtraction. Let's start for the solution of this question. Okay. So, as I'm observing here, I have a bracket. So therefore, priority is the bracket. Inside the bracket, I have exponent. Therefore, first my job is to calculate this exponent. Therefore, carry down everything unchanged. Don't touch them. Just calculate 3 to the 2. 3 to the 2 would be 9. Just keep everything unchanged as they are. 4 and then divided by 2. Okay, next step is still I have bracket. I have to calculate inside the bracket. Therefore, 3 take away 2 inside the bracket. 9 take away 7 will be 2 times 4 divided by 2. So, next. I have because inside the bracket there is just one number, I can easily remove these two brackets. So as a result, I have 2 times 2 times 4. So therefore, this is 3. This negative 2 times 2 times 4 would be negative 16. Keep the rest divided by 2. So next, what should I do? Should I subtract 3? No. Based on the order of the BODMAS, priority always is with division and multiplication. Subtraction division is at last. So therefore, first I have to calculate these two. It would be 3. Negative 16 divided by 2 would be negative 8. And then final answer would be negative 5. Therefore, the answer is this. Next example, be negative 3 to the 4 plus negative 2 minus negative 4, let's say raised to the 3, and then plus root 16. Okay, we are going to answer this question. Evaluate this part. I have two exponents here and here. Let us start with the exponent because priority is with exponent. Inside the bracket, you have first calculate inside the bracket and then exponent. I can raise this one because I have just one power here. I can do it here or I can keep it and calculate it later on. Let's first step just I keep it as it is. Inside the bracket, I have negative 2, take away. I have to raise negative 4 to the 3. If you raise negative 4 to the 3, you will end up with negative. Let me change the color to see better. So, therefore, you will end up with, that one would be negative 64. Getting 64 and then root 16. Okay, next step. Now I'm ready to calculate this power. As you see, the base is just 3, is not negative 3 because negative is not inside the bracket. So therefore, 3 to the 4 would be 81. Inside here, negative times negative would be positive. Negative 2 plus 64 would be 62. And then plus root 16. Next step, negative 81. Can I erase or remove this bracket? Yes, because I have just number inside. What's the root of 16? Would be 4, yeah? So now you're ready to calculate. Negative 81, I'm going to calculate first these two. Negative 81, positive 62, positive 4 would be 66. Now final answer, negative 81, 62, you have to subtract them and keep the negative because this number is greater, okay? So therefore the answer would be, if I subtract these two, would be negative 50. This is final answer. Next example here, let's do through the substitution. In final exam, through the substitution, you will be evaluated to see if you know the Bedmas rule or not. Like this, let's say the expression be 3x cubed plus 16 over negative y cubed minus x. Question asking you evaluate the expression when x is negative 4 and y is 2. X is negative 4, y is 2. Okay, let us start for the solution. So next, you need to substitute. You have 3 on top. X, instead of x, you have to replace x by negative 4. When you are replacing, you are substituting, always use bracket. So negative 4 and raised to the 3. Keep the rest plus 16. At the bottom you have negative. In place of y you have to write 2. Therefore you need open the bracket for y, put it 2 and raise it to 3 as it is, negative, subtract. And instead of x, again open bracket, instead of x you have to write a negative 4. Okay, then you substitute step by step. Try to use the Bedmas and calculate top and bottom. On top, as you see, always you are observing bracket. Inside the bracket you have nothing here. So therefore just directly raise negative 4 to the 3 and 2 to the 3. So let's see what happens. It would be 3. Negative 3 to the 4. Negative 3 to the 4 would be negative 64 plus 16. Bottom, negative. Base is 2. 2 to the 3 would be 8. Close. Negative times negative would be positive 4. Next step. Okay. On top, I have multiplication. 3 times negative 64 would be 192, and obviously negative, and keep the rest, plus 16. At bottom, negative times a would be negative 8, and then 4. So if you calculate top, would be negative 170, 100, oh, I'll be 100, okay, 174, and at the bottom you have negative 4. So this is 100. So, okay, last step, divide top by bottom. 174 divided by 4 would be 44. Negative time divided by negative would be positive. Therefore, this is final answer. Okay guys, I'm hoping that this video helped you to quickly review over rule of the Bedmas. If you like this video, please share it with your friend, and thank you for watching. See you in next video.